If you're seeing an error exclamation mark next to your Gmail inbox, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This Gmail issue is usually caused by a connection problem, a browser cache issue, or even an extension that's interfering with Gmail in the background. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into the fix. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Gmail needs a stable connection to sync properly, so start by making sure your router is on and working normally. Open another website in your browser and see if it loads correctly. If other websites are not opening, then the problem may be with your internet connection rather than Gmail itself. In that case, try refreshing your connection, restarting your router, or switching to a different network and then check Gmail again. If your internet is working fine and the error icon is still there, the next step is to clear your browser data. Sometimes corrupted cache or stored cookies can stop Gmail from syncing properly and cause that warning icon to appear. To do this, open your browser menu, go into your settings, and find the option for clearing browsing data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, close the browser completely and open Gmail again to see if the error has gone away. If the icon is still showing, the next thing to try is disabling browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or third-party email add-ons, can interfere with Gmail and trigger sync errors. Go to your browser's extension or add-on manager and temporarily disable anything that might be affecting Gmail. Once you've turned them off, refresh the Gmail page and check whether the exclamation mark disappears. If it does, then one of those extensions was causing the problem, and you can turn them back on one by one to find the exact one. If you want the fastest way to troubleshoot, always start with the internet connection, then move to browser data, and finally check extensions. That sequence will solve most Gmail error icon issues very quickly. And once Gmail is loading normally again, you should be able to access your inbox without that warning symbol next to it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.